Creggan Country Park is a not-for-profit organisation. We were set up by the community for the community back in 1997, and we provide things like outdoor recreation so that people can get outside and boost their mental health. The National Lottery Community Fund has made a big difference to our project. They helped us set up our environmental programme all those years ago, and since then we've just expanded on our work and it continues to grow. So we have things like the breathing place where we have willow domes and picnic areas, and to this day people still use them to get outdoors and boost their mental health in nature. And we also have our community fridge, which is a lifeline for a lot of people going through food poverty, and it addresses climate change locally by reducing food waste as well. So funding has helped us connect people to the local environment through loads of initiatives, including our environmental volunteer programme. We have people of all ages and abilities coming up doing things like planting, painting nature murals, tidying up, and it gives them a sense of ownership of their own green space as well. We're really proud of what we've achieved with all the funding over the years. The Nature Hub, for example, would have been a hotspot for antisocial behaviour in years gone by. That's now been transformed into an environmental education area used by all ages and abilities every day. So the Lorax trails there, we have a hedgerow maze, we have an outdoor classroom, the schools use it for the national curriculum and the Eco Skills programme. So it's just been fantastic to see the difference that lottery funding has made.
I founded the Creggan Country Park from whenever I was a child, and I remember going up here as a reward in a Gaelic blitz after we won the tournament. So we created a community fridge which was for all the local people in the community to see if they were struggling with food or whatever. It was to help them. It makes me proud to look back and see that all of us boys made an impact on the community and did a good job.
The National Lottery Community Fund allows us to connect people to the local environment through various initiatives such as environmental education, volunteering and outdoor recreation in order for people to boost their mental health and get fit and healthy. It starts with community.